Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today I want to show you a little trick you can do to increase the oil capacity of your FH series Kawasaki engine. One of the most inexpensive ways to increase oil capacity is to install a larger oil filter. This is the stock filter that comes from Wix. The part number is, of course, it's 1394. There we go. 51394. Here's another one. I'm just going to use this for comparison. Here is the Wix 57398. Same gasket size, same drain back valve, same thread size. So go ahead and lubricate your gasket. Just dab you a little oil on there and get that gasket nice and lubricated. Go ahead and get it threaded on. And once it seats bottoms, you just want to turn it about 3/4 of a turn. And that's plenty right there. I recommend only doing this modification if you have room. Of course, you know, there's nothing out here in the way. I guess, you know, the cylinder and the oil filter is about the same depth now. I mean, it's going to be hard to knock that off. Once you've installed this filter, you'll go from 1 3/4 of a quart to 2 quarts capacity. But like I said, if you want to increase the oil capacity of your Kawasaki FH series engine, you can go with the longer filter. Let me know if you have any questions. More Medic One. Have a great day.